So guys, for the first step, you want to go to search and type in Windows Defender Firewall. Click on it. And now once we're here, on the left hand side, you want to select Advanced Settings. And now once this comes up, on the left hand side, you want to select Outbound Rules. Now on the right hand side, you want to select New Rule. Once this comes up, you want to select Port. Now you want to click on Next. And now in this box right here, you want to type in 49152-65535 and then click on Next. You want to allow the connection and then click on Next and then click on Next again. You can name this anything you want. I'm just going to call it Valorant Ping and then click on Finish. For the next step, you want to go to search and type in CMD. Now you want to run it as administrator and then click on Yes. And now once you run this, you want to type in ipconfig //flush DNS and then click on Enter. And now you want to type in netsh winsock reset and then click on Enter again. For the last step, just restart your computer and then the problem should be fixed.